hear something. Oh, there's a chicken coming out. Just stopped off at a little preserve off the road. Just checking it out. A deer scared me. I thought it was a pig in the woods grunting. All of a sudden, she comes charging at me. Alright. Well, there's little storybooks here. Okay, let's see where we can go. I guess I'll have to go this way. Sorry, this is so totally random. All the pages. Looks like you can take a path this way. Let's just keep going this way. It's like a groundhog up ahead. If I start walking, he's gonna run. Let's see. Nope. Guess he went in the hole. Where'd he go? Oh. There's his burrow right there. Alright, I'll let him be. That was pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we can find. It's so hard to capture them. So are deer, butterflies, groundhog? I'm not sure what they look like. Okay, well, that was a dead end. Retracing my steps. It's a little bit dry in here. We haven't had rain in quite some time. Still humid. I hear like hawks or something. Damn bird. I think it knows every time I want to film. I get my camera ready. There's just fly away. I still hear you. Now he's mocking me. I'll still catch him. Sort of got him. Maybe I'm walking this loop backwards. The numbers are going down. I really hope I don't see that deer again. I hear something. Oh, there's a chicken coming out.
What the hell?
Look at him. Nope. It's a rooster. There we go. He fancy. Are you gonna follow me? Well, I seem to have picked up the friend, so here's Roosty. Come on, Roosty, let's go. All right. He's following me. Never know what you're gonna find when you go for a walk, I guess. I wasn't expecting a rooster. Chicken? Are you gonna come? All right, let's see if he comes. I mean, I don't want to follow him into my car. Oh no. There's a house nearby, so maybe it's their chicken. Well, he has led me back to my car, so he's off into the woods. Bye, thank you. All right, let's see where else we can go. All right, let's go this way. That was fun.